In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track progress with Gantt charts in Monday.com. We'll start right inside your Monday.com workspace. Go ahead and open the board where you're managing your project. This might be a marketing campaign, a product launch, or any workflow with tasks and deadlines. Once your board is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Views bar. You'll see a plus icon there. Click that plus icon to add a new view to your board. A drop-down menu will appear with different view options. From this list, choose Gantt. As soon as you select it, Monday.com will generate a Gantt chart based on the information already in your board, turning your items into a visual timeline with bars stretching from start dates to end dates. If you find yourself using the Gantt view often, it can be helpful to make it the first thing you see when you open this board. To do that, look at the tab where it now says Gantt. Click the three dots next to that tab, and then choose Set as Board Default. From now on, whenever you open this board, it will jump straight into the Gantt view, making it easier to stay focused on timelines and progress. Next, let's fine-tune how your Gantt chart is set up so it actually reflects your project accurately. In the top right corner of the Gantt view, you'll see a small settings gear icon. Click this to open the Gantt settings panel. The first thing to check is the column mapping. Under Map Columns, make sure that either your timeline column or your date column is selected as the source of dates. This is what tells Monday.com where each task starts and ends on the chart. If this isn't set correctly, your tasks might not appear where you expect them to, or they might not appear at all. Then, look at the grouping options. Here, you can choose how your tasks are stacked or organized on the chart. You might group by status to see tasks arranged by whether they're planned, in progress, or done. Or you can group by person if you want to see workloads by assignee. Grouping by group is useful if your board is already organized into sections, like phases or departments, and you want that same structure reflected visually. Finally, adjust the coloring settings. You can color the taskbars by status, group, or owner. Coloring by status lets you see progress at a glance since each stage will have its own color. Coloring by group highlights different project phases, and coloring by owner makes it easy to identify who's responsible for what. Choose the option that best matches how you like to read your project's progress, and your Gantt chart will become a clear visual snapshot of where things stand.